What's going on, G Nation? James here, and today what I'm gonna do is show you how to put sandpaper on your floor sander, which is right there. So let's get into it. So see these are your pads that the sandpaper attached to. You just sticks right on there. Like so. Just like that. Then you gotta pick up your floor sander. Sits down just like that. This is the sander, which then will suck it up into like a vacuum into here. And right here, you see this switch here is the vacuum. This is the machine. So, I'll show you what it sounds like real quick. So that's how you turn on your floor sander. I've already went over this floor. I gotta go over it in a few more places just to get it down to where it needs to be. And then we're gonna start laying hardwood and get this floor, done and looking nice. So if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments. Like I said, it's pretty easy. You just put your sandpaper on the bottom, they oscillate, and it gets sucked up into the vacuum. But you have to make sure you turn on your vacuum switch first, and then your machine. This way it can suck everything up. Then after you get done going over everything, of course you have to use a broom and sweep everything, make it look nice the way it should. But that's why I look the way I do right now. So that's that. That's how you run a floor sander. More videos coming soon. If you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, stay tuned, we got more videos coming.